Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech and gadgets. Today, we've got something that's an absolute essential for every tech lover: the LIAMLI compressed air duster. If you've ever struggled with keeping your electronics, keyboards, and hard-to-reach areas clean, this could be your solution. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. Let's get right into it. First things first, power. This air duster packs a punch with an 80,000 RPM motor. What does that mean for you? Well, it means you can switch between 3 different air speeds at the press of a button. Say goodbye to microscopic dust on your printed circuit boards, keyboards, and other electronic devices. But it doesn't stop there. This duster comes with a variety of nozzles and brushes, 5 nozzles and 6 brushes, to be exact. This versatility makes it perfect for cleaning various surfaces and areas. And here's a fun twist: you can even use it to inflate swimming rings, yoga balls, vacuum compression bags, and airbeds. Talk about multi-purpose. Now, let's shed some light on the situation. The LIAMLI air duster features built-in LED lighting that automatically turns on when you're using it. This makes it a breeze to clean dark and hard-to-reach areas. Plus, the cordless design gives you the flexibility and mobility you need during your cleaning sessions. Worried about running out of power? Don't be! This air duster is rechargeable and comes with a USB fast charging cable. In just 1.5 hours, it's fully charged and ready to go. You can charge it using your computer, mobile power supply, car charger, or adapter. It's a fantastic alternative to traditional compressed air cans. Now, a quick note: to ensure the longevity of your LIAMLI air duster, avoid charging it while it's in use, and don't charge it once it's finished being used. And guess what? LIAMLI has your back with a 1-year warranty from the date of purchase. They're here to address any inquiries or concerns you may have. That's a wrap on our review of the LIAMLI compressed air duster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, of course, stay tuned to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights.